Hey guys, this is Mr. R. Here's a quick video feed forward on how to create your My House project on Google Slides or Google Presentation. So just to remind you, first thing you need to do before you start the project is, of course, go to Edmodo, scroll down to the third post, and it explains all about My House project. So if you just click that blend space link, it will take you to everything you need to know about the project. Close that. Okay, what you need to take your pictures of, and then what you need to write on your slides. So check that out. And let's say that you have now taken all 9 of your pictures and you have saved them onto your desktop. Like so, here's a couple of pictures that I took. Next, all you have to do is log in to Google Drive, like so, and you've come to your home page. Let's create a presentation. Okay, next up, we want to, of course, choose which kind of background we want, what kind of format. Let's just keep it simple. Let's rename it My House Project. Now, a very important thing for you guys to do, first thing, just so you don't forget, go ahead and click that share button and then type in, of course, Hazirlik at ggl.hisarschool.k12.tr. Okay, and that way you will send it to us and we will have it, and you don't have to send it again. So it's very, very important. You click send and you're all done. You're ready to rock. So now all you have to do, first up, title slide. So you need to take a picture of the front of your house. Okay, we just move this text box up to the top. And of course, we'll just type in the title, My House Project. And we're not going to need this subtitle. We minimize this just a little bit, and we drag and drop a picture of the front of our house. And you can see my picture is a little bit too big for the slide, so we just have to resize it, make sure it fits. You can see that is the picture of my apartment building. Now, one thing that's very, very important when you're making any kind of presentation, you don't want to leave any unused space, because then it just looks really dundick. So you want to fill up the whole space with your picture. Now, I know a couple of you guys were asking, how do you fill in the background of a text box just to give it more color and make it more interesting? You just click this little paint button. So of course, click on the box, click the paint button, and you can choose all different kinds of colors, like so. Alright, now we're going to add the first slide to our presentation after our title. So up here, the first thing is you're going to type what that place is. So I'm going to start with my kitchen. So this is my kitchen. Again, we want to move this all the way to the top. Move that all the way over to fill in the space. You can center it if you wish. So you just click over on more. This little button, you can center it. Okay, we don't need this box. Delete that again. Now, here's a little trick for you. Click on the edge of the box, hit Command C for copy, Command V for paste. So now you have exactly the same size of box. Come down here and write something about what you do in your kitchen. So for me, this is where I always drink coffee. And here is the picture of my kitchen. So again, same thing like on the first slide, drag and drop. And again, very quickly resize it. And that red line tells you where the text box starts. And again, don't leave any space unused all the way over. And again, if you want to change the color of the back of your text box. Okay, and So you just need to repeat this step another 7 times for your other places in your house. But here's the last thing I'll show you, a nice little trick here, because this is the format that's going to be on all your slides. So all you have to do is come over to the left side, hit Control and hit the mouse, and there's a nice little function called Duplicate Slide. So you duplicate it and look, exactly the same slide. So now all you're going to have to do is just delete that picture. Of course, change your 2 sentences. This is my bedroom, for example. You come down here. This is where I sleep. And of course, you'd have a picture of your bedroom. Drag and drop that in the mother, and you're ready to rock. So good luck, guys, and we look forward to seeing them.